Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and there is a very good news which is coming here from TCS. So TCS has again started hiring for 2025 batch, Ninja, Digital and Prime, but this is limited to the student who have already given the interview in 2025 and were rejected, but this is a wonderful opportunity. Now there are a lot of confusion is there. So what is online discussion, what will happen in offline discussion, the coding assessment, okay, the direct interview will be there, direct document verification and joining will be there. So each and everything I am going to discuss in this particular video. But I know many of the 2025 batch graduates also, I mean going to be graduated, so they also have a lot of queries. So I will try to tell them in just two lines. Okay, so TCS 2026, and I will put here TCS NQT. So TCS free NQT 2026. So my dear friends, in March to May, okay, so generally this March to May the off campus exams happen. Okay, March to May the off campus exams happens. So you please get ready for that, because TCS has a lot of requirement, and that is the only reason even TCS is hiring 2025 graduates. Okay, and we will discuss more in detail about 2025 batch, but 2026 batch you need to wait. The registration link is still not open. When the registration link will be opening, okay, we will let you know. So right now you join the WhatsApp group of 2026 batch, okay, so that you will be getting all the information, okay, and Telegram group and rest of the things we will let you know. Please don't worry about it, have trust on us. And if you have still not started your preparation, then get this TCS NQT crash course. It is very much required, and I am telling you, if you really want a job in TCS, then don't delay. Okay, fine. TCS NQT crash course, already live classes are going on, and lot of planned which you have already seen this roadmap. Okay, so we have started solving this PYQs, right? So day 1, day 2, day 3 already the classes has been started. So at least don't delay now. Now let us come back to 2025 batch. So 2025 batch, many of the students attended the online discussion and offline discussion. Okay, and this particular screenshot, I don't know from which YouTube channel it was there. It was there in one of the WhatsApp groups, so I have taken it. So if anyone finds that okay, it is on their YouTube channel, so I'm not telling this is my comments, the comments on my YouTube channel. Okay, I have taken from our WhatsApp group, so excuse me for that, and definitely this is not mine. I have not taken the screenshot, that is for sure. Okay, anyway, but see, the ultimate aim is like you should get help. So online discussion, what is happening, friends? So in online discussion, it is just 2 minutes of the discussion. HR is asking mobile number confirmation, ready to join immediately, aware of 1 year agreement, any educational gap, and then this is 1-to-1. Okay, so 1-to-1 it is happening, and they are just confirming the details. Now in offline, what is happening? So the friend, decision is already made. So the decision is already made that they are going to hire you or whatever it is. Okay, it is definitely a positive news. It is definitely a positive news. So here in online you came to know 1-to-1, they are just verifying your mobile number, ready to join, any educational gap, backlogs, these kind of details. In offline, is anyone given interview, face-to-face discussion today? So yep, I did. Don't worry, the decision is already made. Face-to-face discussion is just a formality. So they might ask you all those things like, where are you from, educational gap, backlogs, mobile number verification, your document verification, because you have to go with your documents. Okay, so mine just happened today. The interviewer basically said the decision is already made. This is just a formality. Okay. The other student said, yes, I also done with face-to-face interview today. They are only asking for document verification and ready to join or not, just HR question. That's all. So there is no technical interview if you are called for interview. Now there are lot of things are going to happen here. So that also I will try to tell you. But one thing is that TCS has a plan to hire in bulk. Okay, so please don't delay. And here I was just seeing one of the comment, freshers please don't believe TCS. So one thing I wanted to ask you, freshers, whoever has written the comment, see, I don't have any problem with anyone, but Vijay Kumar, you tell me which company I should believe. Infosys, the one who gives joining after 2 years. Tech Mahindra, it's been 1.5 years, they have not given the joining. One company you tell me, Vijay, okay, you put in the comment section wherever you want. You can send it to mail also, info@onlinestudyforyou.in. Now, you send me one company where I can trust. Okay, now TCS at least in 2025 they did a mass rejection. Even I was against them. That mass rejection was not accepted at all. But now at least they are doing this, and they won't do it simply. And anyway, what effort you are putting? You tell me what effort we are putting. We are filling a form. Okay, we are getting aware of all those things along with your other preparation. Who is stopping us to write another exam? Who is stopping us to write or do other things? So don't get into all those things. There will be people who will always try to demotivate you. But friends, see, the fact is fact. The fact always, will be seen by the people as well. So after some time, let us see what happens. You will also see, I will also see, I will be also, hope I will be alive till that time. Okay, within 1 or 2 months. Okay, so I'll be there with you, and we will see what all happens. And I can see today, mark my words, write it somewhere. Many people, okay, many students are going to join TCS. That's my guarantee, or that's my promise to you, and that I will show you also. Okay, now comes, there are different things are happening. Different students are getting different emails. Yesterday I uploaded one video, and here you could see this is a video which we had uploaded yesterday, my dear friends. So not home videos, if you will go, you will be able to see. So TCS NQT, अरे भाई videos में चलो फिर हो. हाँ, TCS NQT free hiring drive. So yesterday I uploaded complete details. Now here I have asked a student to please comment, and after that I received all these comments. So please do subscribe here. We really put a lot of effort, asking a student that what happened to you in this online discussion, offline discussions, and all those things. Collecting all those things is not that easy. So let us find out the categories of the student. So there is one category of the student. I gave interview for Ninja in VIT Chennai. I have not received any survey mail or bot call or anything. What does it mean? So there are many students who has not received anything. Okay, so for them, see, we have very limited information. That is what I am going to give you. So in that case, what you can do, you have to keep checking your email. So keep checking your email, okay, spam folder, and let us be little more attentive. So if you're getting any bot call and all, you have to leave it, okay, because more than that information you won't get it. Now got call and then got meeting link, and sir asked about documents. I said I have, and then sir said okay, you will receive an further email, wait for it. So now all this online or offline discussion people, so my heart says that you will be getting the joining soon. Okay, you will be getting the joining soon after this discussion. So joining soon means definitely it will not happen immediately within a month. So your ILP will start. After ILP, all these joining formalities and all will, document verification, and then the joining formality. So it will take time. Okay, but it will definitely happen. Now nothing is there. So see, they just wanted to have some kind of formality, because many students would have already joined some other company, many students would have done something else, right? Okay, same here. What should we think? We will get offer letter directly or test interview. So you will be getting offer letter directly, don't worry about it. Okay, fine. Next is, yeah, I got rejected in TCS digital interview. Now I got mail for survey and bot call for the interview, but interview is not scheduled yet. It will be done. Okay, it will be scheduled, don't worry. Keep checking your emails. Again, the spam folder, okay, junk folder, whatever it is, promotional folder. So all those things you keep checking. So in see, with digital and prime, there will be technical interviews. Okay, so for digital and prime there will be technical interview. For ninja candidate, okay, ninja candidates are divided in 2 categories. Okay, 3 categories basically. So the first category is coding test. That also we will talk about that. And second is discussions. Okay, discussions. And third is basically for the Mumbai location. So the first joining will be your ILP or the offer letter. All those things will be happening for the people who said yes for the Mumbai location joining. Okay, so in Ninja candidate Mumbai location, previously I was rejected, then got mail of second chance for Ninja. Then I received a bot call, and after the discussion call where they asked, are you ready to join immediately, confirmed my name and email ID, asked if I'm currently working in any company or no, do I know about the service agreement of 1 year, related documents are ready with you or not. And it was not a bot call, it was actual person, and it said further details will be sent to the email. So further details will be nothing but offer letter, and then these people joining will be also very very soon. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so freshers, please do not believe this guy. Okay, so that is what I interest. आज मैंने HR डिस्कशन दिया था और लास्ट में HR ने बोला ईमेल चेक करते रहना, स्पैम और प्रमोशनल ऑफर लेटर आएगा, ऐसा ही कुछ बहुत जल्दी जल्दी में थी। और मैंने पूछा कि मैम ऑफर लेटर के बाद ILP एलिजिबल होगा मैं या डायरेक्ट? सो वन गाय इज टेलिंग दैट आई गॉट a call from the HR, and HR said that you will be getting the offer after the discussion, you will be getting the offer letter, and that offer letter you keep checking your spam and promotional folder, and after that ILP and then direct joining. So that is what that HR said. Okay, and sirf 1 mahine ILP and Mumbai joining, so only 1 month ILP and then Mumbai joining will be there. Sir, I had got, so this is a very important, what I feel is there is a very important, this thing, comments here. So these comments are from our YouTube channel. Okay, fine. I had got rejected for a prime role. Later I got bot call and mail saying stand a chance to secure up to 11.5 role was not mentioned. After 3 days I received location preference survey with mentioned interview will be held between 6 to 11 face to face, but it was not mentioned whether technical or HR interview, so that will be technical and HR. They mailed for in-person discussion, asked to bring all original documents on that day. Okay, so these are different people. Okay, I got bot call 10 days before yesterday. I got a call from TCS HR. They say she was asking about the documents, and I asked, when are you scheduling interview? They said you have given the interview in June, so now no interviews there. We will be contact you through the mail Ninja role. Got face-to-face interview mail. If anyone attend, please let me know what happens. Okay, now this kind of mail also you are getting. So dear student, thank you to everyone who was able to join the discussion call yesterday and today as part of the next step for the TCS opportunity. In case you are unable to attend the call, please do not worry. We will be rescheduling the session, and updated details will be shared shortly with the concerned student. This email is being sent as a common communication. Okay, and then no action is required from your end. Okay, and this point, kindly refrain from replying to this email and keep an eye on your inbox for further updates from the TCS team. Thank you for interest and operation. We look forward. This email is regarding the in-person discussion for TCS NQT. So 9th of Feb. So in-person discussion, nothing is going to happen much. If you are interested, kindly reply to this email, full name, contact number, preferred location, and preferred joining location. Okay. Now, friends, in coding test, no. So yesterday, after yesterday video, I was just thinking, so what is exactly going to happen in the coding test? So then friends, when I was going to see select the skill on which you wish to be evaluated. So see ServiceNow, Salesforce, SAP, Cloud, Data Science. So there are a lot of profiles are there where coding test cannot happen. Okay. So Pega, IOTDE. Okay. So see only maximum C, C++, Python, Java, Core Java. Okay. So this I don't think that this is definitely not for your coding evaluation. This is for the joining. So if they are looking for some certain, like suppose if I have a requirement, TCS has a project on cyber security. So on cyber security, if somebody has a skills in their resume, or if you are selecting that's okay, cyber security skills you have, then you will be hired first. Okay, so that will joined first basically. So you will be getting the onboarding first. So that is based on this thing. But your exams are not going to happen on this. Coding test here means, so your coding will be happening on how this TCS, TCS NQT, the coding happens, right? So 2 coding questions, so something like that, 2 coding questions, and then there, so you will be getting the languages, whatever C++, Java, Python, so whatever language are supported, so that you will be getting it. So this is basically not like if something like if you select Core Java, you will be able to write the exam in Core Java. If somebody selecting C, C++, so he will be writing in C++. No, that way it will not be happening. So friends, I hope this video gave you some kind of clarification which you were looking for. So please share this video with your friends as well. And see this TCS NQT crash course. So if you have coding exams, you can get it, and if you have interview, so you can get this interview material. It's totally up to you, but take this very, very seriously, and definitely you will be getting hired in TCS this time. Take care. Bye bye.